Hello students, today I am going to introduce you female reproductive system. In that female reproductive system, some important organs are there. Ovaries, oviducts, uterus and vagina. What are they? Ovary, oviducts, uterus and vagina. Let us see the structure. Here you can see the structure of female reproductive system. And here at the top you are seeing fallopian tube, and right side and left side both two fallopian tube present. At the tip of fallopian tube there are finger-like structures are there. These finger-like structures are called fimbriae. Finger-like structures are called fimbriae. Two ovaries are present. That ovaries are connected with this uterus. So then that tube is called fallopian tube. And this pear-shaped structure, it is called by the name uterus. At the bottom you can see that cervix. Then cervix end with the vagina. Vagina is the outer wall is connected by vagina. Once more you see here this finger-like structure left side and right side, this is called fimbriae. This tube-like structure, it is called by the name fallopian tube. Here ovary, two ovaries are there, left side and right side. Left side that shows that external structure and right side shown that internal structure. And this pear-shaped structure, it is called by the name uterus. And here this area is called by the name cervix, and this muscular organ is called vagina. These are the important parts of a female reproductive system. What are ovaries? Two ovaries are present in a female. So they are the primary reproductive organs present in a female. They have three important functions. They are producing hormones. They are called by the name estrogen and progesterone. Second important function is that ovaries protect the eggs. A female is born with and release eggs for possible fertilization during the time of teenage, otherwise an adolescent age starts its function. Here ovaries are two in number, and one ovum or egg is released every month by either of the two ovaries. Left side and right side two ovaries are there, from alternatively they are functioning. And also there are two important hormones present. They are called estrogen and progesterone. So working of the ovary and lactation, like that many function are related with these hormones. That means they are controlling. Oviducts. Oviducts or fallopian tubes, they are funnel-shaped structure and coiled muscular tubes join uterus and ovaries. An ovum released from the ovary is transported through fallopian tube. Fallopian tubes are tubes that stretch from the uterus to ovaries and are part of the female reproductive system. The fertilized egg passes through the fallopian tube from the ovaries of female mammals to the uterus. It transports ova from the ovary to the uterus every month. Uterus. Uterus is a broad, muscular, pear-shaped chamber where fertilized ovum develops into a baby. Uterus is a hollow, muscular organ located in the female pelvis between the bladder and the rectum. ovaries produce the eggs that travel through the fallopian tubes. Once the egg has left the ovary, it can be fertilized and implant itself in the lining of the uterus. Vagina. Vagina is a wide muscular tube which is connected with the uterus and opens with the outside wall, and it receives sperm from male for the fertilization of ova. That means this is the receiving chamber. Vagina is an elastic muscular canal with a soft, flexible lining that provides lubrication and sensation. It connects the uterus to the outside wall. It receives sperm from male for the fertilization of ova. Let us see what is ovulation. It is the process of release of ovum from ovary is called ovulation. Here you can see that 3 stages there. It means follicular phase, ovulation and luteal phase. Here follicular phase means 1 to 13 days. Here primary follicle, follicular cells developing secondary oocyte, follicular fluid, mature follicle. Then this is the ovulation day. 14th day is the ovulation, ruptured follicle. Then luteal phase, early corpus luteum fully formed, etheric follicle, corpus albicans. So this is the full ovulation timing. That means 28 days. What is fertilization? Fertilization means it is the union of sperm and ovum occurs in the anterior part of oviduct and zygote is formed. Here let us see that sperm. Head of the sperm, it is known as acrosome. Here nucleus present, and this is the basal body, and here mitochondria present, and this tail part, this part is known as axoneme, and the end part is known as endopiece. Here you can see the structure of ovum. Here egg cytoplasm, zona pellucida, then first polar body, at the central nucleus present, and here corona radiata. This is the structure of ovum. During the time of fertilization, sperm and ovum combine together and a new cell formed. It is known as zygote. Single cell, it is called a zygote. Now let us see that fertilization detail. Here ovum, here fertilization occurred. This male gamete and female gamete combined together. Fusion of egg and sperm is called pronuclei. Now zygote formation occurred. Then afterwards it became 2-celled, then 4-celled, 8-celled. Like a way it's a growth occurring. Thank you.